Okay, so hello and welcome to this day 2 of $100 per day PDF method. That is, in day 1 training, I've given you assignment of say over 100 plus $1 million indices. You can go through that. That is a well researched topic. Just select one of the topics and then you have to move to day 2. And here it is the core element of say $100 per day PDF method. That is, there are two sections. One is designing and one is traffic method. So this is element that you are going to see today. It is the core of the PDF method, and this is going to separate you from the rest. Okay, so hello, I am Gyan Sahu and I will be your primary trainer for this total PDF method. And this the software which you are going to see today, that is designed by me, and I'll show you how to use it, and that is what is the core element of this method, because that will help you crush the competition. So see, normally what happens when people try to create PDF is that they go to chat gpt, they give they suggest the names, they ask for the names, then when they get the names, then they generate the table of contents, then one by one they generate the acknowledgement, preface, then copy paste into say some word document or say in some google doc, then they generate chapter 1, then chapter 2, chapter 3. So this process goes long, it becomes very long, and they give up after say even 1 to 2 pdf, or they even do not complete even one pdf. For example, if you see most of the people who are watching this right now, you know that PDFs can be generated with ChatGPT, with Claude, and any of the AIs. But the question is, have you generated any PDF? And then if the answer is yes, then have you generated any money out of that? So the main difference is that that process gets tedious, it gets boring, and most people leave. So what we have done is that we have converted the entire thing into a software. So just run it once, and while the software generates the content for you, you can enjoy your coffee, you can enjoy your tea, you can enjoy your tea, and you can do whatever you want. And the PDF, all the content will run in the background and it will produce the entire content for you. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us go and I'll show you how it works. So in the training you will get the entire link. So this is the software, and it will help you crush the competition, not just dominate NNS, just to get to the top ranking in NNS and get traffic. It will help you crush the entire competition. I'm showing you how to do it. For example, let us see, if you want to generate a topic, say ebooks around say how to lose belly fat, say without going to gym. Okay, so now what happens is that people give up after one pdf. They put a lot of effort, and if it doesn't sell, then they give up. But what we are doing is that you can see how fast the system works, and you will get 30 topics around it. So you can go ahead and publish the 30 topics within no time. You can do it very easily, and you will, within say 1 to 2 months, you will be dominating the entireness. Okay, so these are the 30 high selling topics that you can get, and it's already it's generated by the software. So you can see, for example, the ultimate guide to losing belly fat without stepping foot in a gym. Say goodbye to belly fat forever, the no gym solution. For example, you can go through all this. That is, when you get the software, you can go through all this. But let me show you how this works by selecting just one of the niches, one of the topics. Then after this, you have to go to the next topic, the next step, that is the step 3. Just here, give the title of the book, and then you have the choice to decide the number of chapters, whether you want to run 1 chapter, 5 chapter, 10 chapter, 15 chapter, 20 chapters. It's recommended to go about 10 to 15. If you go more than that, then the book will be a bit longer, but if you want, you can go ahead. Okay, so for just training purpose, I am just giving 5 chapters so that it is completed quickly, and you can also go ahead with 10 and 15 as I said. So if you give just press enter, and it will start generating the content for you, and you can go ahead and enjoy your work. That is, whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and do it, and it will generate everything in the background. For example, let me show you. First, it generated the table of contents, that is 1 2 3 4 5. We had given 5 chapters, so it generated 5 chapters for us. Okay, so the shocking truth about belly fat, say goodbye to belly fat forever, the mindset shift, setting goals, the ultimate belly fat blasting workout plan. Okay, so it has generated 5 chapters. If you had given 10 chapters, then it would have generated 10 chapters. If 15, just like that, it would have generated the table of contents. That is, we have programmed it to do the steps which you have followed, which you would have followed if you were doing it manually in ChatGPT. That is, first say you would have generated the table of contents and the content for each chapters. Because you can see after it has generated the table of contents, it is generating, say first it generated the acknowledgement, then preface, then this is generating chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, everything is generated. Now it is generating the conclusion. Okay, everything is generated. Let me show you the steps. Okay, so after that it generated the conclusion, and here is, as you can see, ebook content generated, copy the content below. Now you can copy this everything and you can go to a Google Doc and you can format it within 5 to 10 minutes. You can format it and your book will be ready. For example, you are generating suppose 10 chapters or say 15 chapters and 20 chapters, then you can generate this content say within 5 minutes. Then go to Google Doc, paste everything, and you can just format it within 5 to 10 minutes. We'll show you how to do it. And if you are publishing in Kindle, for example, just imagine if this 30 topics you can publish in Kindle within no time. Say if every 2 days you publish one book, then within 2 months you will have 60 ebooks based on this niche, and you will be dominating this say benefit without niche. Because most of the users, most of the authors, they do not have so much books, and this is focused around a single topic. That is, you are deep diving into one particular niche and you are simply dominating and killing the competition. So that is how you can dominate a niche and start getting. So most of the people who will be searching this losing benefit without gym, they will be going to some of your books, they will be buying it, and you will make money passively, that is without any active work after some time. Okay, so there are two methods which are doing. Say tomorrow I will show you. So suppose if you want to publish it in Kindle, then there is a software that is Kindle Create. Just you can copy this entire thing, that is the entire content which you have generated, and within 4 to 5 minutes it will be formatted for Kindle in a beautiful way, and you can just go ahead and publish in Kindle in no time. So that is the beauty of this software, that is speed. You can dominate this entire niche of this means whatever niche you want to enter. Just select a problem area, find the topics, and you can start publishing very easily. Okay, so this is one of the methods, that is you can generate the content and start publishing in Kindle. But here we will be focused on how to generate traffic using softwares like using platforms like Gumroad. And you can just tomorrow I will show you how to generate the entire sales page using Gumroad. That is, I will be taking this particular topic, that is say goodbye to belly fat forever, the no gym solution. So using this I'll be generating the entire content for Gumroad sales page using the images and the say everything which you will see tomorrow, and I will publish this particular ebook. That is, for example, for showing you as an example, I've generated 5 chapters. So this I will convert it into a PDF. For example, I will run it again and do it for 10 to 15 chapters. I'll convert it into say your entire PDF, and in the Gumroad I'll show you how to do the entire setup, and then you can start selling. That is, we will move to organic method and paid method. Okay, so this is the beauty of the software. That is, if you would have done this manually, then most people just they give up. That is, books can be published, but most of you, I can guarantee, you do not have any published ebooks or any published products in the in online. Okay, so that is the difference. This book will remove, this software or this $100 per day method, it will remove that barrier. It will give you, it will put you into action mode. You will start taking action and you will start taking results. And we will do this manually. That is why we will do this with the software. That is why we have created this particular software and this particular program. That is, you will get the entire training on how to do each and everything. Okay, so next, if you see this, we have covered everything. That is, the first thing is the setup section, where you will get everything on how to do the setup. That is, how to generate the content, how to generate the PDF, how to set up your Instagram profile for sales, how to do the setup in Gumroad. Everything is covered. And second thing is traffic. Here we cover the faceless traffic methods. That is, and using face, if you want, you can use your face and get results. And this is faceless methods. This is AI influencer method, and also it is no video creation formula. Okay, so everything is covered for you to get started from zero to getting sales. So the basic I'm telling you again. First thing is you have to identify a problem area, because people will pay for a solution to the problem, and we will generate solution in the form of PDF and present it to them, and that is how we are going to get sales. So I've shown you one of the methods on that is how quickly your solution can be generated, because here the solution was to lose belly fat, and that too without going to gym. So how quickly the PDF, that is the solution, was created, and we will show you how to put it as a sales process, that is how to put it in Gumroad, and then you can start selling. And also you will see how to put it in Kindle and start selling on autopilot. So everything will be covered here. So just go ahead and just complete the first step, that is which we have given yesterday, just to select the topics. And these are some of the bonuses which you will get. These are top selling products in say Warrior Plus right now. For example, James and Max bestseller top G traffic method. Then there is commission servants, that is AI agents. Then there is AI thumbnail creator. Then is AI ebook writer. Then one prompt romance books PLR, Trevor Fregel and Max award-winning traffic prodigy. Then freebie cheetah, coin sprint, secret clicks. All these are released in last 1 to 2 years, and these are selling right now, and cost of each is between say $12 to $17, and you are getting a lot of this. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, many are there, some 18 to 19 are there. For example, affiliate whisperer, then ClickWave, Gemini prompts, pixel profits, price profits, flood of traffic. And what you have to do is that you will get it access with this particular training. And even if you remain in the group, that is, we will be regularly giving this as weekend bonus. Some of this you will be getting, and these are entire course. You can follow it and start generating income, just because these are not just simple products. These are in fact high selling products, and they have sold hundreds of copies each of this. That is, these are some of the best selling and award winning products in Warrior Plus, and you will be getting this for free. You will get all of this when you get access to the course. And also, if you remain in the group, then every weekend we have some giveaways. That is, we give away some of these products as free. You can get it for free and enjoy. So just remain in the group and watch the trainings, just follow the training. And if you have any questions, just let us know. And gradually, that is this week, say 1 to 2 days after this, I will show you how to will combine all this. That is, yesterday you saw, you got the list of say proven topics that sell. Today you saw that the advantage you have, that is, we have the software to design the software quickly. You can go ahead and do it in the free method also using ChatGPT. But we are not just publishing one books. Our intention is to crush the competition, to dominate the traffic, to dominate the niche which we are entering, and that is our main intention for this $100 PDF per day PDF. That is how you are going to earn. We are going to just crush the competition, and we are going to win, and that is what we are here for. Okay, we are not just for anything, just publishing a book and then hoping to get traffic. We are here to win, to get traffic, to get sales, and that is the main intention of creating this entire course. Okay, and this awesome bonuses we are going to give away for absolutely or totally free. Okay, so just remain in the group and you will get some of this. And in the next few days, you will see how everything we will join everything together. First you got the topic, today you got the method we showed you, that is, you saw how quickly ebooks can be created. You can create it using the free methods also. Tomorrow we'll show you how to put these things, that is the ebook and the sales page, etc., and to make your sales page ready, that is your traffic machine ready, so that you can start sending traffic and you can start getting sales. Okay, so just watch tomorrow's video, and gradually we'll build up everything, and in next 2 to 3 days you will have your sales machine ready. Okay, and also I will show you how to get access to everything. That is, you can do it using free methods also, and you will get some of the bonuses. And I'll show you how to get access to all this and all this. I mean, the software which we have, which I showed you just now, that is this one. This is the custom software which I have created. So I will show you how to get access to everything. That is this software, to the software, I mean the access to this this training and all this bonuses. So everything is just done for you, so that you can start getting sales, traffic, and most importantly start making $100 per day. Okay, so that's all for this video. This is Gyan Sahu signing off for this video, and hope you have a nice day today. Thank you and bye for now.